Good morning sa inyong lahat mga kabendeng, mga idol, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, yung mga lodi natin na patuloy na nanonood sa ating walang kakwenta-kwentang vlog. Nandito na naman si Just Vlog, ang karumal-dumal na vlogger sa balat ng lupa. Mga kababayan, meron tayong update. Ito po ay gusto namin i-share na kapopost lang po ng FEO o Firearms and Explosive Division. Pala. Firearms and Explosive Office. Yan, FEO. Pati mga pagbigkas ni Just Vlog. Kalagim-lagim at mga karumal-dumal na pagbigkas. Pasensya na po kayo. Ito po ay naka-address po ito sa lahat ng gun holders sa buong Pilipinas. Mga kababayan, ito, babasahin ko po ito sa inyo ha. Ito yung English ito. Pasensya na kayo kung may mga bigkas tayo na hindi naman kasi tayo ganong kahusay magsalita at magbasa ng English. Ano lang po tayo, grade 1 lang po naabot natin. Ito, announcement. Public advisory. Ito. In line with the PNP's mandate to ensure public safety, effectively enforce the aforementioned law, all gun holders are advised to undertake the following actions even during the gun period. A. Gun holders with expired license to own and possess firearms or LTOP and or firearms registration are advised to deposit their firearms and or ammunition to the Supply Accountable Officer, FEO, concerned Regional Civil Security Unit o RCSU or the nearest police station for safekeeping pending the renewal of their license and or registration. Letter B. Gun holders who no longer intend to renew the license and or registration of their firearms are advised to surrender them to the aforementioned offices for proper disposition. And letter C, in the event of gun holders' death, their legal heirs or family members shall deposit the seized firearms and or ammunition with the aforementioned offices for proper disposition. Moreover, the gun holder, legal heir or family's member must send a letter of request or personally appeared at the FEO, concerned RCSU or nearest police station for the facilitation on the transport to pick up subject firearms and ammunition for the residents to the concerned office. The letter must intend to process or renew their LTOP and firearms registration or to surrender for final disposition. If they no longer interested to process or renew their LTOP and or firearms registration. Upon deposit or surrender to the SAO, FEO concerned RCSU or the nearest police station, an acknowledgement receipt or turn-in slip will be issued to the gun holder, legal heir or family member. Also, additional instruction will be provided regarding renewal of LTOP and or firearms application, storage condition, and final disposition of the firearms and or ammunition. Further, be advised that this deposit or surrender process is non-punitive. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Paki-correct na lang po kung mali ha. And is intended solely to promote full compliance with the law. No legal action shall be initiated against the gun holders. Attached are the contact details of RCSUs nationwide. For ready reference or visit our official website feo.csg.pnp.gov.ph for updates and announcement. Please be guided accordingly. Yan po yung announcement or public advisory ng FEO o Firearms and Explosive Office, mga kabingbing. Wag nating wag nating ipagwalang bahala po ito sapagkat kaya po sila nagbibigay ng ganitong mga advisory o kaya announcement nang sa ganun ay wala tayong maidadahilan na kapag ka nag-expire na yung ating mga firearms, hindi natin ginawa ng paraan, nagbigay po sila ng announcement or advisory para tayo po ay paalalahanan, mga kababayan at mga kabengbeng. Ipopost ko po, nandyan po sa screen yung mga RCSU na malapit po sa inyo na pwede nyong puntahan o kaya kontakin in case po na hindi pa po nare-renew yung inyong mga LTOP o kaya firearms registration at kailangan po ninyong i-deposit sa pinakamalapit po na police station o kaya RCSU na nakakasakop sa inyong mga area, mga kababayan at mga kabengbeng. So yun lamang po yung aming maibabahagi sa inyo, mga kabengbeng, at pasensya na po kayo at nagbigay lang po kami ng konting reaction dito at sana po makatulong po itong video ito nang sa ganun ay mapaalalahanan yung mga kabengbeng natin na hanggang ngayon hindi pa po nakakapag-renew ng kanilang mga LTOP at firearms registration. At bilang panghuli, ay muli po, kinocongratulate po namin lahat po ng mga kababayan natin, mga Pilipino na shooters na nag-represent, naglaro sa World Shoot 2025 sa Czech Republic. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Hindi man po kayo pinalad na magkaroon ng bronze medal o kaya gold medal. Pero yung pagpunta pa lang po ninyo doon sa Czech Republic para i-represent ang ating bansang Pilipinas, yun po ay champion na po kayo at panalo na po kayong lahat. Kaya saludo po kami sa inyo. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Hanggang dito na lamang at muli po, ang inyong walang kakwenta-kwentang vlogger sa balat ng lupa ay bumabati po sa inyo. Just Vlog ng isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat.